Using project tools for sales and CRM follow-ups can drastically improve your workflow and efficiency. And in this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to get the most out of these tools to boost your sales process and CRM management. Stick around till the end, and I'll also give you an exclusive free trial to a software I recommend for these tasks, only available for viewers of this channel. First, let's start with organizing your pipeline. A project management tool helps you visualize your sales process, whether you're dealing with multiple prospects or managing an ongoing deal. In the software we'll be using today, you can set up customizable stages for your sales pipeline. Each stage represents a key step in your sales process, things like lead capture, qualifying, proposal send, and closing. With project tools like this, you can track exactly where each lead is in the journey, keeping everything organized and in one place. Now let's talk about follow-ups. With sales, timely follow-ups are everything. If you wait too long to check in with a prospect, you could lose the deal. The project tool lets you automate reminders to follow up with your leads or clients based on specific triggers, like when a deal reaches a certain stage or when a set amount of time has passed without any interaction. This keeps your follow-ups timely, reducing the risk of missing out on potential sales. When it comes to CRM, project tools can also give you a centralized hub for managing your customer data. You can input contact information, track interactions, and even record notes on each client or lead. The ability to have all your CRM data integrated with your project management tools makes it easier to see everything in one place. Plus, with this software, you can even segment customers based on specific criteria, like deal size or industry, so you can prioritize your efforts more effectively. Next, let's dive into collaboration. Sales teams often need to work together to close deals, and project tools make collaboration seamless. Whether it's sharing updates, leaving comments on specific tasks, or tagging team members to assign them new responsibilities, project management software allows for smooth communication and collaboration within your team, ensuring everyone is on the same page and nothing slips through the cracks. Now let's talk about tracking your progress. Sales is all about results, and tracking your progress through your project tool is a game changer. You can pull detailed reports to see how much revenue you've closed, how many deals are in progress, and even get insights on where your process might need improvement. This can help you adjust your strategy in real time, improving your performance and conversion rates over time. Before I wrap up, remember, the software we've been using today is designed to make sales and CRM follow-ups as streamlined and automated as possible, and I'm offering you an exclusive free trial for it in the description below. It's a limited time offer, only available for viewers of my channel, so if you want to follow along and start optimizing your workflow today, grab that free trial. To wrap up, the key takeaway here is that project tools for sales and CRM follow-ups can save you time, improve communication, and boost your overall efficiency. By organizing your pipeline, automating follow-ups, managing customer data, collaborating seamlessly, and tracking your progress, you'll close more deals and maintain stronger customer relationships. So make sure to take advantage of the free trial in the description, try out the software, and start optimizing your sales process today. Thanks for watching.